Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be decorating small wooden tea box for you using paper napkin and reusable stencil. I start my work from mixing white, grey and brown acrylic paint to match color of leaves on my napkin. I use brush to apply the mixture inside of my box. Make sure you mix enough paint to create matching bricks later on. It would be very difficult to create the same shade later, so I usually mix more paint and then I seal the plate inside the plastic bag for later on. When cappuccino paint is dry, I apply a couple of coats of white on the outside, using brush and sponge where needed. I couldn't make up my mind if I want edges to be white or beige. So first I painted them with darker color and then changed my mind and repainted with white. Try not to add too much paint on edges, because box might not close properly later on. I really like a brick effect on my work, so once again I mix paint to achieve similar color to the color I use for inside of the box. This is quite difficult, so please make sure you have enough paint on your first go. Stencils are very useful because you can use them with both structure paste and paint. If you clean them straight after using, you can use them multiple times. Please check my shop for the good selection of stencils. Link is under this video. As you know, we must glue napkins on either white or very light backgrounds, because paint which is underneath will show through the paper. If you glue on dark background, whole picture will go dark and blurry. Once again, I use varnish instead of glue with my napkin, as I find it much easier. Please let me know in comments under the video if you tried using varnish instead of glue and what do you think about it. When everything is dry, I use sandpaper to remove excess napkin hanging on edges. I glued one large piece of napkin, so there is no level difference, there are no wrinkles, so a couple of layers of varnish will be just enough to protect the box and my work is done. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for another video.